Getting your first job on Upwork is difficult. Trust me, I've been there. And I was in your same position 6 months ago. Now I've earned over $26,000 in the past 6 months, and I'm also a top rated plus freelancer. So when I first started, I had no previous clients, no portfolio, no paid gigs, no testimonial, and no reviews. But you can find clients with the right strategy. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly what I wish I knew when I first started on Upwork. The one system that changed everything for me when it comes to landing those first few jobs. So if you're stuck submitting proposals and getting zero responses, just keep watching. This video is for you. Now, if you're a total beginner to Upwork and you keep submitting proposals, but you get nothing, no response, no interviews, then how do you convince a client to hire you when you've got no previous clients? Well, there's one thing that you need that most freelancers overlook, and that's social proof. So how do you get proof for your skills when you haven't had clients before? That's the most common question I get. You don't need previous clients, you just need proof. So there's two types of proof when you get hired on Upwork. The first one is a general portfolio that shows you how you can build. So essentially this is your baseline. Every proposal you send includes this. And the second proof is a custom demo built specifically for that client, which is, this is your secret weapon. And you only do this for jobs that you really want. So most freelancers, when they start off, they have neither. Some have part one and almost nobody does part two. I used to do both when I first started, so this is why my response rate went up from, I think it was 10% to around 35%. So let me break down each part real quick before I get on to part one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content on landing Upwork clients. For part one, the thing I would suggest is to build your portfolio from scratch with zero clients. And here's exactly what I did. So for step one, you can build 5 practice demos. And I picked 5 types of businesses: lawyers, CPAs, real estate agents, dentists, and consultants. So I found one example of each in my city with a terrible website or no website at all. Then I just built them a demo. So 10 to 15 minutes it only took for each because I was using vibe coding tools such as Lovable and Replit. And I didn't contact them, I just built it. Now I had a portfolio of 5 projects. And were these from paying clients? No, but they were examples of my work. So the step 2 here is to get testimonials. So I asked 3 people to vouch for me, and a friend who I'd helped with a website, a colleague from university, someone who could verify I knew what I was doing. These were paying clients, so just people who could say, yeah, Zach knows how to build websites. Now, step 3 is to create the portfolio on Upwork. And once added the portfolio, you can get testimonials from those people that I mentioned before. And this proves that you can build something. It shows examples and it's social proof. So this took me about, just 3 hours to create, and it's what got me in the door essentially. Now here's where most freelancers stop. They build a portfolio and they attach it to proposals and they just hope for the best. However, that is not enough. So in part 2, I'm going to talk about what separates you from everyone else. Now part 2 is all about building a custom demo for a specific client that you want to work for. So here's essentially how this works. Let's say I find a job I actually want on Upwork, something with a big budget of, let's say, over a few $1,000s. And instead of just sending my general portfolio, I can do something extra. So I build them a custom demo of their new website, and this may take me around 10 to 15 minutes. Then I record a 3 to 5 minute Loom video walking them through it, and I then send them a proposal with 4 sentences. So when I send them the proposal, I essentially just tell them, hey, I built a demo for your website. You can take a look at it here, and I include the Loom link, and I just ask them, if they like that direction, then we can talk. If not, you can keep the demo, no obligation, and that's it. So now essentially what happened, they have my general portfolio showing them that I can build, and they also have a custom demo showcasing that I can build for them specifically. And that's what gets you hired essentially, because everyone else is sending text proposals saying, I can build your website, and whereas you're showing them, I already built you the website. So there's zero risk, there's immediate value, and it's personal. So this is how I went from a 5% response rate to around 35 response rate. So before I show you the exact process, just a quick thing. I teach all of this in my Skool community, Vibe Coding School, which is designed specifically to help you land your first Upwork client in 90 days. So what you'll get inside is step-by-step tutorials on building portfolio demos, my exact proposal templates, and also access to me daily for questions. You'll also get pricing strategies, and it's only $30 a month with a 90-day money-back guarantee if you can prove to me that you've done all of the tasks in the classroom. So in here, every day you'll be given a few tasks to do, to, for example, for month one, it might be setting up your cold emailing infrastructure that you'll then use to reach out to clients. And we already have a member that's reached $10,000 in just a few months using vibe coding tools such as Lovable, Replit, Bolt, V0, and Base 44. And the link is in the description. Check it out below. And you can also book a free strategy call using the cal.com link in the YouTube description. Let me show you the exact process for doing both. So here's your exact game plan. In week one, you're going to build your general portfolio. In the first 2 days, you'll build 5 practice demos, and you can pick 5 different types of businesses. It can be any business, and just make sure you find examples of bad websites and build the demos for each, 10 to 15 minutes per demo. In day 3, just take screenshots and add these into your Upwork portfolio with brief descriptions. And in day 4, you get a few testimonials from friends or colleagues or people you went to school with, and you essentially just need them to verify that you know what you're doing. And in day 5, now you're just going to finalize everything, upload everything to Upwork, and now you have your baseline proof. So in week 2, you can start applying with the 2-part system. And what I want you to do is find 10 jobs on Upwork, budget for, let's say, over $500, and for all 10, send proposals with your general portfolio attached. And for the 2 or 3 that you want the most, attach a custom demo. So you're going to have to build a custom demo for them, record it in Loom, and then attach it in your proposal. Here's what this custom demo process looks like. For step 1, just look at the current website or business if they've included a link in the job post. Step 2 would be to build a demo around that. So use one of your 5 practice templates as a starting point, and you can customize it for their business, and it will only take you 10 to 15 minutes using tools such as Lovable or Replit. Step 3 would be to record the Loom video, which will only take you 3 to 5 minutes. You walk them through the demo and you showcase the website. Then step 4 is just sending the a 3-4 sentence proposal with your projects and also your customized project, the Loom link essentially. So this is only going to take you a max of an hour total for 3 custom demos, maybe even more. But these 3 will have let's say a very high percentage in response rate compared to if you were not to include that customized demo. So the other 7 that you apply to, you're going to notice a lower response rate, but combined you'll get 3 to 5 responses from 10 people, which is really good. And yeah, that's about a 30 to 50% overall response rate. So if you compare that to most beginners who got 0 to 5%, that's quite a significant difference. Okay, so you might be asking, what do I actually say in the Loom video? So I've included below in the description a script that I use for most of my clients when I send over a Loom video, so make sure you check that out below. Now I want to talk about the 3 mistakes that beginners make with this 2-part system. Mistake 1 is only doing part 1. Building a portfolio is good, but it's just not enough because everyone else is going to be building their own portfolio and they'll all have their own projects. You need to build custom demos to stand out, and that is going to separate you from the mass essentially. So mistake 2 is building custom demos for every job. So don't do this, it's too time consuming, and the portfolio, just use that as a baseline proof. So only build custom demos for jobs that you really want and that are a high budget and are obviously feasible. Now mistake 3 is not customizing the demo enough. So when you build a custom demo, just make sure you use their business name, use their colors, their brand color, use their logo if they have one, and just make it feel like it's actually theirs. Yeah, so make sure to avoid these 3 mistakes and you'll land your first client within no time. So just a quick recap. For part 1, just make sure you build a portfolio with 5 practice demos and a few testimonials. This only takes 3 hours, and just make sure you attach to every proposal a testimonial. So for part 2, for the jobs you really want, create a customized demo. This only takes 15 to 20 minutes. If you want my exact templates, you can check out the Skool community. So yeah, make sure you go build your portfolio this week and start applying next week so you can land your first client. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and comment below if you have any more video requests, and I'll see you in the next one.